Hi friends, thank you so much for stopping by today and welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Alyssa and today I just wanted to do a quick little project share on this mini album. I created this from a file folder and I do have a tutorial on it, so I will also have that linked down below for you if you're interested. And I know I'm kind of just like jumping into the Christmas crafts now, but I honestly will probably go back and forth between fall and Christmas projects. So I'm just doing what I'm feeling, and I've been feeling Christmassy lately. So I made this from a red file folder, and it just looks like this. I got it at Dollar Tree. I'm not really sure if they have the colored file folders anymore. I did get those, I think, like late August, early September, maybe. So I'm not sure if they still have those. But honestly, the color doesn't really matter. You can just use a regular plain file folder or, just do a quick Google search and see if anyone's selling a color that you like. So this is how mine turned out, and I did use the holiday chic paper pad from Michaels, and this is what it looks like. So I did add a cute little dangle here to my album, and I added some of this pretty tinsel and also some of these crackle beads because they kind of just reminded me of like little ornaments. So I think it's pretty cute. It's just a simple little dangle and it's just so sparkly and festive, I feel. So it's just attached to this little ring here, and I literally just poked a hole in one of the pages, I think right here. So you can see I just poked a little hole there and put this ring through because this is such a tiny little album. And so I didn't feel like it needed a huge dangle or anything like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I have holiday cheer right on the front, and I did add this sparkly red bow as well. I added some glitter to this red paper, and then I also added some silver glitter onto parts of the snow, which I'm hoping you can kind of see, like here and down below here. So just to add a little more holiday festive cheer. And then when you open it up, this was a 4x6 cut apart from the paper pad, and I did have to cut it down at the top and the bottom a little bit so it would fit perfectly in my album. And then over here, I just thought this was great for either a photo or some writing space. These little strips here are also from the paper pad. They have a lot of really nice cut aparts, I think, in this paper pad, so I really wanted to just use a lot of those as little decorations. And it says ho 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 down at the bottom there. And then since this is made from a file folder, I do have my little file tab here that just says Christmas. And I added these little lights. They're just stickers here and here. And so this is actually a side pocket, and I did leave it open at the top here, as you can see, just so I could slide things inside that might be a little bit taller. So this was also from the paper pad, and it says My Christmas Wishes, and it's got the beautiful holly all around the border. So I thought that was super cute. So that's in my little Christmas pocket. Over here, I just glued down this little journaling card and a little piece cut apart, and you can see the poinsettias in the background. And then I have just a pocket over here. I just love these little houses. They're so cute. So it's like the same kind of houses here on the front. I love this paper, by the way. I'm just pretending that this girl is me, like going shopping in the city. Anyway, I turned this strip here into a little pocket. So you can see I have a tag sheet in there and then just this little Merry Christmas tag. And I tied some twine there into a little bow. And then this is also a top pocket. So I made this tag or journaling card here and tied a little red bow at the top. And then the little strip underneath it has bows as well. So I thought that was cute. And then over here, I did the same kind of thing where I just left this blank for a writing space or a photo. I have a little cheer label in the corner there, and then this little strip of ornaments at the bottom. And then here's that beautiful paper again, which I didn't really do anything to because I just love the houses and the scenery there. I think it's so pretty. And so here's another file pocket. This one I just stamped Joy. There's my little stickers there as well. And in this pocket, I just have another cut apart from the paper pad that says Happy Holidays. Of course, you could put a lot more in these pockets, but those are just my little examples. And here is the last page. So I turned this into a pocket. These were also cut aparts from the paper pad. This here I actually made last year. It's like this little tag, and I just tied a bow with this pipe cleaner that looks like tinsel. And this tag says it's the most wonderful time of the year. So it is like movable. But then this whole thing just opens up and you could write inside or add pictures. I just covered up the whole inside here with some extra wrapping paper that I had. And then over here on my last page, I just added a little like vellum flip page. So there's that beautiful paper again. And then I just glued down this ornament sticker to the corner. So you could put a photo underneath, or you could even just journal right on top of the vellum. But that's pretty much it for this little mini album. And then there is the back. And I love how you can see through the window of this girl or woman decorating her Christmas tree. So just like all these little details make me so excited for Christmas. So I am loving this paper pad, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed this quick little project share today. Again, go check out my tutorial on how to make one of these if you are interested. I think it makes for such a cute little Christmas album. So thank you guys for watching this video today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. I would love to talk to you and say hi, and I will see you all in my next video. So happy crafting and huge hugs to all of you.